Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add a retirement life event on Facebook. Whether you're celebrating this exciting milestone or sharing it with your loved ones, here's how you can do it effortlessly. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, tap on the What's on Your Mind section at the top of your news feed. This will open up the post creation screen. Next, scroll down until you see the Life Events option and tap on it. A menu of categories will appear. Select Work from the list to proceed. Within the Work section, look for and choose the Retirement option. This is where you can officially mark this significant chapter in your life. Now, fill in the necessary details for your retirement event. You can include information like the date of your retirement or any other specifics you'd like to share. Once you've added these details, tap Next to continue. If you'd like, you can write a description about your retirement in the provided text box. This step is optional but allows you to personalize your announcement with a message or reflection. Finally, when everything is ready, tap on Post. Your retirement life event will now be shared with your friends and family on Facebook. And that's it. By following these steps, you can celebrate and share this amazing milestone with your social network. Congratulations on reaching this new phase of life.